Hey everyone, Andover Adam here. I'm back with new fabric collections that you're going to see in stores late this summer and into this fall of 2023, starting with this Cocoa Blue collection from Laundry Basket Quilts. As you've come to expect from Laundry Basket Quilts, and especially her blue and cream collections, we've got incredible attention to detail here. Our studio spent painstaking hours upon hours, days upon days, making sure that these historical documents and all their intricacies really pop off the fabric at you. And this time we have the quilt patterns ahead of time to match. For the first time, we have all of the patterns for all of our collections, not just this one, available in our catalog, which is, again, linked in the video description below. And you can see we've got so many incredible patterns from Laundry Basket here, along with all the fabric that you're going to need, the exact requirements that you're going to need in order to make each one of these wonderful quilts. And we're just getting started because Laundry Basket Quilts just launched her very own line of Century Solids. These are colors that she specifically picked and curated, and for the first time ever, we're proud to announce that all of our Century Solids, the Laundry Basket Quilt Century Solids, and our 100 original colors are all made from 100% US cotton. And again, all of the patterns for these collections are already up and posted, available with all the fabric requirements that you're going to need. And for these Laundry Basket Quilts Century Solids patterns, you're definitely going to want to look at Laundry Basket Quilts Sea Breeze collection as well. We have that in stock now, and we'll be reprinting it again shortly. Most of these patterns also use some amount of the Sea Breeze collection. The Atomic collection from Libs Elliott features some of her signature poppy and bright colors, as well as a nice white on white and a gray on black. Really good neutrals there. And this one is something that really benefits when you see it in a quilt. And the free pattern for this, the Party Town quilt, is basically exactly what the name says. That looks like Party Town to me right there. So we have that free download on AndoverFabrics.com, as well as all these other really spectacular and eye-catching quilts. You're not going to want to miss these. The Tradewinds collection by Renee Nanaman of Needle Love is not only a gorgeous floral group, but it also has some wonderful nautical elements, as the name suggests. So we have some really cool anchors, these great ginghams, we have a seashell pattern, and we have even some coral in here. And so this is a really unique, special collection, but it's in these great taupes and reds and blues and grays. These fit with just about everything, and this has a place when you make the quilt. It's going to go in your house. It's going to hang up so nicely. And if you haven't tried one of Renee's patterns before, take a look at this Tradewinds Tide pattern. It's a free pattern, again, available at AndoverFabrics.com, and her patterns are known for their attention to detail, and they're just like this one here. It's just so elegant. From our friends across the pond at Macau, UK, we have the Autumn Days collection featuring a fantastically stylish fox wearing all different colors of scarves, and what else? Well, mainly just scarves. He's really good at scarves. And we also have this great panel, which you can cut up in all different ways. It's got more friends of the fox, or maybe not friends of the fox, I don't know. But there's bunnies, there's owl, 2 owls, and then also reindeer as well. Oh wait, no, there's more than 2 owls. Yeah, he's got a whole bunch of friends. He's a social guy. I like that guy. Macauer's also given us this wonderful In the Jungle collection in both blue and pink colorways, and each has their own panel. And I'm looking at this and I'm thinking, okay, I actually just had a little boy myself. First baby, not sleeping. I don't even know where I am right now. That's okay. But we've got these great elephants in here. Those are, I can tell you, my life is small elephants right now. I don't know if they're on my child's clothes or if I'm just seeing them and I need to see a doctor or something. I know there are a ton of you out there who can't get enough Juicy Juice, and so we're back with a second Deco Glow collection. This is Century Prints Deco Glow 2. They're printed on our Century Solid fabric. And what I love about this one is it's still got that wonderful color palette that you know immediately it's Juicy Juice, and it's got that great, well, yeah, deco style design. You can see here that you look at those and you immediately say, okay, that's a Juicy Juice fabric collection. And for this collection, we have a number of free quilts from Juicy Juice himself. You see 2 of them here, the Continuum and the Canyon Road. Both of these quilts are great for beginners. Our French Mill collection is a classic featuring roses, journal pages, lace roses, and it's a wonderful color palette that's a little bit updated from what you would have seen from one of these floral collections in the past. This collection is coming to stores in August, but right now you can go to AndoverFabrics.com and you can download the free quilt pattern for this collection, and all of the other collections that you see here also have their own free quilt patterns, so definitely go to AndoverFabrics.com and check them out. Our Dewdrops collection is a wonderful assortment of bright poppy colors on different cream and tan backgrounds. These are subtle fabrics that just seem to go with anything, but they also make for these really great quilts when you mix them with our Century solids. Have you ever woken up in the Italian countryside at a villa and you look outside the window and there's these beautiful flowers against a backdrop of mosaics and ceramic artwork in blue and yellow and white? I haven't, but if you have, tell me if it looks like the Ceramica collection by Toucan Art, which is available September and features some wonderful free-to-use patterns that you see here. Cross stitch is really in this year, and so we've got two collections of printed textures on our 100% quilting cotton that pay homage to the trend. On the left, we have the All My X's collection, which mimics the cross stitch stitch, and then on the right, we have the cross stitch texture collection, which colors beautifully accompany the All My X's collection, and that mimics the fabric that you would be doing the stitching on. The Tangent collection is a fun blend between a floral and a geometric group, and it has some really cool hidden design in it. So, for instance, this main print that has this great flower here, all of the individual petals on the flower are actually just tiny little hearts. That's a really cool thing. Finally, coming to stores in November of this year, we have the Meadowlark Manor collection, which features this really fun pattern with the birds on the branch. They're just chilling out. They're having a good time. They're admiring all the other patterns in the collection, this wonderful stripe, these great fining flowers. They've got a great view, and you can too if you sew with the Meadowlark Manor collection. Thanks so much again for watching, everyone. I have so many more quilt patterns that I didn't get to show you in this video, so make sure that you click the link below and check out our catalog. It's got everything that you've seen here and more, and you can see the free quilt patterns on AndoverFabrics.com. Until next time, be safe, be well, and take care.